yes, y'all. A freak, y'all. To the beat, y'all. It's so unique, y'all. Well, I was speeding down the street, then I pushed my brake because I seen a fine girl, made me shiver and shake. Then I blew my horn and she turned her head. And to the younger lady, this is what I said. I said, baby, come on over to my car and tell me your name so I can know you are. And just give me your number, address, and all. I might want to see you, I might want to call your friend's house, your house, wherever you be. But meanwhile, baby doll, just come with me. So I opened my door, she got into my car. She looked into my face, said, I know who you are. She said, I seen you once, I can't forget your face. You got style, got class, finesse and taste. I said, I'm glad you think so, I'm glad we met. Cause I haven't met a girl, nothing like you yet. But just lay on back and relax your head, because my seat's so soft, just like up there. And then she looked at me and started to smile. She said, baby, let's have a little fun for a while. I know every move from A to Z, but if it's alright with you, it's alright with me. But if we do it in the car, that's no respect. So let's go to my house. She said, it's a bet. And when I got into my house, I drove the female wild. The first thing she said is, let's have a child. I said, no, baby, I only got time to make a lot of money and to save my ride. And if I had a baby, I might go broke. And believe me, to me, girl, that ain't no joke. People smile in your face and talk behind your back. And when you get the story, it's never exact. Some say they're your friends, but they really are not, because they're only out to try to get what you got. They wanna hang out if they smoke cheap or sniff coke, then to see your lady alligator when you broke. But you attract all the dudes and all the younger ladies with your diamond rings and your big Mercedes. Go on your chest with your fine suited clothes, cause that's the way the whole story goes. Now you got you a girl and you're doing the do. But every girl you see, you think she's made for you. She used to walk down the street and never did speak. Now she knows you got money at the tip of your feet. And you're a sucker dude for thinking you're slick, cause all you're gonna do with the girl is trick. You can't lead yourself because you've been led. The same young girl that messed up your head. Every time you look around, he's asking for your money. She thinks it's cool and she thinks it's funny. If it's smart, you leave it. If you're dumb, you stay. But if you do, you be a fool until your head turns gray. Cause when your money's gone, believe me, my friend, that all this money hawking girls are gonna get in the wind. Cause when you ain't got a dime, it ain't no joke. And the girls you used to know will call you Mr. Broke. So you better learn from the one mistake and stop being a fool before it's too late. I got a cure for all women and hope you understand why they call me Spoonie D, the medicine man.